DJI Mavic Mini, high altitude issues, retest. Got that coming up next. Recently, I had the DJI Mavic Mini up at around 400 feet and experienced quite a number of issues, but the most prominent of those issues was a complete loss of signal, and the drone ended up initiating its return to home sequence. I want to thank everyone who left suggestions in the comments on how to correct the situation. I went out and retested the DJI Mavic Mini up at 400 feet, applying those suggestions. Let's take a look and see how that turned out. Okay, today we're going to repeat the test, the high altitude test, where I had some failures last week. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you here. Now I want to show you how the antennas are set up for this first test. Okay, you can see how they're not pointed up; they're pointed straight out. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get this test going here. Do an auto takeoff. It's partly cloudy today, but I think we're pretty good. The home point was updated. Let's go ahead and hit the screen. Screen recording is on. Let's go ahead and hit video. That is going. So let's get it up here and let's take a look and see. Now again, I'm keeping it right where we're at. So it's gonna try to stay at the home point. We're gonna go up to 400 feet here, folks. See what we get. About 100. Aircraft signal interference came up, but we're looking pretty good. The distance is 2.2 feet from me, or over 200 feet. Approaching 300. Everything's still looking absolutely fantastic. Hitting 350. Okay, we're at the limit. We're at 393 and absolutely no problems or issues as far as the signal is concerned. I'm going to go ahead and take it out just a little bit. We're going to move it here. Winds aloft are very good today. It's very calm day. Go ahead and take it out just a little bit. Okay, we're about where I want to. I'm around 600 feet away. We're going to go ahead and I'm actually going to do a return to home here. Everything's looking good. Now I've kept you can take a look. The antennas are still in the straight out position. Okay, I've had absolutely no problems with signal as far as that's concerned. I'm going to go ahead and pitch the gimbal down. Below 200 feet. below 100 feet. And let's see how we do here as far as landing is concerned. We're going to be pretty close. Okay, it's going to be just a tad off, which I kind of expect. Again, you know, this is not precision landing. Okay, now for this test, we're going to go ahead and put the antenna straight up like people normally do. But I'm going to take it out about 100 feet before I take it up to 400 feet. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and show everybody. Change the position of the antennas here. Okay, screen recording is still on. We're still good there. We're still recording camera. So let's go ahead and do an auto takeoff. Okay, the home point's updated. Let's go ahead and get up just a little bit here. Take it up about 40 feet. We're going to take it out about 100 feet here. And we're right around 200 feet, which is good. Okay, now the antennas are pointed up. We're going to take it back up to 400 feet here. Let's take a look and see if pulling it away from the house and other sources of Wi-Fi interference makes a difference here. Over 100 feet. Everything's looking good. Over 200, still looking good. No interference or any other warnings. We're getting a strong wind warning. Approaching 300 feet. Everything looking good. We should be topping out real soon. More strong wind warnings, which is fine. Okay, we're topping out. We hit the ceiling. We're 392, which is really 400 feet. And there's absolutely no issues with signal. So let's go ahead and take it out just a little bit here. So we're around 600 feet away. We're going to go ahead and do a return to home. And again, this test is with the antennas pointed straight up, not out. Very cloudy day today. Adjust the pitch of the gimbal here. Okay, I am getting some Wi-Fi interference now. Let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and put the antenna straight out. Probably going to be off the mark here a little bit. As you can see, the positions of the antenna made all the difference in the world because I had it up directly over me and it was not even 14 feet off. It was about maybe 3 feet off from my position at about 400 feet, and there was no loss of signal. Everything was fine. Question of the day. What do you think of my DJI Mavic Mini high altitude retest? Let me know in the comments section below. If you like the content from today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything DJI, Autel, or Parrot related. Also be sure to check out my Twitter account where I do post daily updates, and Instagram as well. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.
Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it.